Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change home screen grid on Android 16. Let's begin. First, you want to go to the settings, then scroll down a little until you will see Wallpaper and Style. You want to click on it, and now you want to switch from lock screen to home screen. Now, scroll all the way down and we should see our upgrades right at the bottom. We can click on it, and now we can switch between many versions and many options for the upgrades. We can make it even smaller, so we will make it 5 by 5. Or we can make it very big, like 2 by 2 if someone wants to. Damn, that is a very big upgrade. But I will switch it back to 4 by 5 because I do like the default option. I said 4 by 5, thank you. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.